So which kind of wiring is this?
This is Conduit System Installation.
In Conduit System Installation.
Three-way lighting circuit. So under this, we'll be using two bulbs. Two lighting bulbs. We shall be using three switches.
Three switches.
One gun one way, one intermediate switch. Now, starting from the circuit breaker for the lighting, we shall be using the.
So that is the circuit breaker.
Yeah. This is the consumer unit.
Yeah.
We shall be having the circuit breaker.
The circuit breakers inside the consumer unit.
Yeah. The first circuit breaker for lighting will be 6 amperes.
For lighting?
For lighting is 6 amperes.
6 amperes.
Then for this one socket outlet.
For the socket outlet.
Yeah, we shall be using 16 amperes.
So socket outlet 16 amperes.
Then lighting 6 amperes.
For the lighting 6 amperes.
So we shall be having 3 cables.
3 cables.
For the lighting, we shall be having 2 cables. The live and the neutral. For the first switch, we shall be having the common live.
The common live.
Common live we shall be having the common live. Then they leave live 1 and live 2 to the intermediate switch.
To the intermediate switch. So this is the intermediate switch.
The intermediate switch. To the intermediate switch, we shall be having the live 1 entering the live 1 of the intermediate switch.
The intermediate switch.
Live 2 entering the live 2 of the live 2 entering the live 2 of the intermediate switch. Then under this intermediate switch, they'll be leaving us from live 1 to the socket.
To the switch. Which kind of switch is this?
To the third switch.
So this, which kind of switch is this?
This is one gang, one way.
One gang, one way.
Yeah. So they'll be leaving us respectively live 1 and live 2. So here we shall be having the common going to the bulb.
To the bulb.
Then one common, the same common leaves from this common end back to this bulb.
To the next bulb.
Yeah. Direct. Does not loop anywhere from the common direct to the bulb. So having the neutral does not enter this switch. The neutral passes direct to the bulb. As you can see, we have loop here. The first neutral goes to the bulb.
We have the
neutral, the bulb. Then here, the neutral does not enter the intermediate switch. It goes straight to the bulb again. Now from here, from this one, after you have run your cable from the live, neutral and earth bar. Since this is a socket, we run from the earth bar. We have the other cable here, but for the switch you don't have the earth cable. So the earth cable is here for the socket. So they leave from the 16 ampere circuit breaker to the socket here. This is the socket outlet. So it's a 3-way lighting system.
So these are 3-way lighting system.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.